You might wondering why I got so many scrunchies. And here I want to tell you a story. You can make scrunchies for your business, selling on eBay and website or your local shop, or you can go to the market, sell them. I tell the story why I made so many. Also, I'm going to show you how to make this type of scrunchies. I made all these things not just for me, it's for my local shop, fabric shop. They asked me to make all this together. That's 60 of them I made for them to sell in the shop. You can do that too. And I just show you how to make it, what type of fabric I use. This type of fabric called the Liberty fabric. It's really, really fine, pure cotton. It's quite thin and compared to normal cotton fabric, but it's really, really good quality. I can forward on the website that you have a look. This company is in UK, which I am based. I'm going to show you all these pretty scrunchies I made, how I make it. And okay, hope you can make some yourself and sell it on eBay or market, or you can sell in the shop. Make some money for yourself. Why not? I do the same. I also list all these scrunchies on eBay and sell them. Okay, let's make them. Okay, that's some sample of Liberty fabric at home I got. And you can see the color and the quality really, really good. I show you some closely. It's quite thin, but you can see it's the print really, really nice. Really nice. The quality really good in your hands. You can just feel the luxury. Okay, we're going to use this piece of fabric which I pre-cut it. We're going to make the scrunchies. Okay, this fabric I've been pre-cut. It's around about 60 centimeter, 23.5 inches, just over. And the width is about 5 inches, about 13 centimeters. That's a fabric. A elastic, because I don't have the wide elastic. If you have the wide elastic available, then you need about 20 centimeter elastic, about 8 inches. Because I don't have a wide one, what I did is I going to double it afterwards. I made a knot around here, so I used about just over 40 centimeter, about 16 inches elastic. Okay, and let's start to make them. Okay, firstly we need to fold them in half. You can see the front, fold them in half. We sew on the back down here. The seam allowance you put on 7mm will do. Okay, after you sew that bit and open it up and make sure they're flat. Okay, we're going to place this. We're going to place this in the middle, around like that. Then on the table now, they go down. Okay, that's back. then you just fold inside like that, and then make sure this line matches each other. Okay, now we're going to sew it to go around the sew it, and make sure here and there it's open, and then we're going to sew all the way down. You will see it, okay? All the way like loop go around. Okay, that's open area. We start from here. And make sure this material inside don't cut on the edge, okay? Okay, what you do is just use your 2 fingers and hold it, just pull it out low by little, then you can make sure inside the fabric don't catch. And once you sew that, pull a little more. Okay, can you see the mark we made open? Then you can sew all the way to this line, okay? Then leave this one open, this bit open. And you can see here, we left it open, yeah? To turn inside out, able. Okay, you can see I left here open. What you need to do is just grab whatever inside, then turn inside out. It's so easy. Like that. Then, you know, the old bit, we need now insert the elastic from the gap here. Okay, the elastic need loop around twice. Just okay, that's the first time. Yeah, you complete the first time. No, I just you need to go the second loop. Keep going. Okay, now the second loop is come out. What you need to do, you don't need to sew anything, just make a knot. They will secure. Not like that. Then you just do that. So the left way. Now we're gonna do it. Sew the bit in here to close it up. I use a very fine stitch to close it up. When the stitch really fine, you don't have to do back stitch. They actually will close because they lock each other in. can see how neat it is. So one of the scrunchies done, just like I made 60 of them all together. That's what I just showed you. You can see that's the one I made early on. They're exactly the same. Pretty, huh? So why not try some yourself? You can start selling your own market, or your local shop, or online. Start make something, and you may be surprised that you can get out the business from it. I hope my tutorial helps, and yeah, give it a try. Why not? I make it selling online. You can do it too. Thank you very much for your support. Bye.